Today I'm showing you a very spacious 3-bedroom duet in Hartenbos Estate. Double garage. Let's go and have a look inside. You'll find your open plan living and dining room area. Stunning tiled flooring. Your double built-in braai. Your fireplace, stunning kitchen, loads of cupboards, stylish appliances. You've got your separate washing bay and scullery, access to the garage, and your guest toilet. Let's go have a look at the master suite. As you can see, it's nice and spacious. The door that leads to your backyard. Stunning views over the valley and the mountains. And your ensuite bathroom, consisting of a bathtub, toilet, shower and a basin. Full bathroom. Let's go and have a look upstairs. Upstairs you'll find 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. Find your second bedroom. Nice and spacious. With your balcony offering views over the estate. Loads of cupboards. And also a full bathroom, floor to ceiling tiles. And your third bedroom, also nice and spacious, with your ensuite shower, toilet and basin. This stunning property in a very popular Hartenbos estate is now up for sale.